Governor Eziokwu, after me in the maka Jpac, your friend and our friend. You need all those things for people to see you as a good person. I'm not a betrayer. If I call you my friend, or what if I make a put outside in Noah to write bad things about you, I will never advise. If I advise you privately and you refuse to adhere to that my advice, I will leave you. Nothing will make me to come out and begin to tarnish your image, because if you are trying to tarnish the image of Jpac for people to see you as a good person. And as I like anybody want to like, that is their cup of business. But don't make it look like people will see you as a good person while Jpac is a bad person. And for you, need correct to go Jpac privately. It is a time for you to come out publicly and correct him. Jpac, is he your son? Is he your wife? Is he your friend? In your advice privately, or Sigemba, Erapia, always a problem. Is say Jpac, I told you, didn't I warn you privately? But for you to come out and begin to post all these things, it look as if each of people can Saga says, "But madam, Jpac is a bad man." Some Jpac may wait not go up best man Jpac. Even if anybody want to write anything bad about Jpac, not from you, Oga. Until I say write on Bundu Zion, because once he talk good thing about Zion, once he talk good thing about Zion, they will begin to comment well on your post. Governor Eziokwu, iya ine mena BM ndu fe mano mandugu. And what if you make me only bala ko president of Nigeria? Yes, for some of Igbo, igare nam de kanu. It's ndu fe mano and ndugu ga trust Igbo again. In a one Igbo bo Jpac, your brother, your friend, your best friend bo Jpac. You need anyhow for people to see you as a good person, for people to see Jpac as a bad person. I know you will still write about me. For you, you are in any advice publicly so that he will learn. When he was talking bad about Father Baka, did you advise him publicly? And Matthias Zach, did you advise him? No. Okay, calm down. We know they do mumuna. For you, you think say you wise. It's not matter of Olandimo. Governor Eziokwu, all the key in them. May you lose local government chairmanship election in Imo State. Because all the kind of people who go that now, you a betrayer. I must say the truth. If one your friend, you caution him privately. If you caution him privately, Jpac repeat the name of that. Erapia. I told you. If privately, I warned you. Open it on Facebook. Now they up. You don't tarnish the image of Jpac for people to see as a good person. Even if you want to support Ebukobi, there's many ways you will support Ebukobi. Ebukobi Bonimo State, go up Bonimo State. It's your brother. Jpac Boyanambra. You can still support Ebukobi in a very good way without involving Jpac. Or Jpac was only a post to Ebukobi. More post Ebukobi. Amachisomu be a sister, or another post Ebukobi. Many other bloggers they post Ebukobi or brothers or Jpac. Ogamu, you know do well, you know do well. I'm not a betrayer like you. I'm a man for this video. You go and begin to write jargons about me. But that is a couple of business. Muabe Bonison, where I come from, we don't know how to betray people. If I call you my friend, I will never betray you. That is me. From my Bonny State, Abakaleke, where I come from. If I call you my friend, you are my friend. I will advise you secretly, not to take aside. We don't know how to betray people. So for you, you will still bring them out. Yes. You can still support Ebukobi without bringing Jpac bad name. You can still defend Ebukobi without bringing Jpac any bad name or trying to destroy Jpac. Because you are mature enough to know what is good for you. But writing all those things about Jpac, my brother, no, you're a betrayer. You're a betrayer.